Are you feeding your baby?
Toy.
Is she hungry?
A baby.
Yeah.
Toy.
No, she's not crying. Feed your baby. Good girl.
Oh.
Easy there.
Wait.
Why don't you sit in your chair? You sit in your chair like mommy is and you feed your baby. Oh, okay. You don't wanna?
She eats. Oh no!
Uh-oh, her hat fell off.
It's fine.
Now she's crying. There we go. Oh, yeah. Look at the mouth. Oops, sorry.
Mom.
Mommy needs to find baby. Seriously, Josh, what did I say there?
I don't know.
Great. Because I don't. Oh, it's right here. Look it. You put your scissor in hers? There we go. Yeah, you're rocking your baby?
Okay.
Do you want to switch?
Big.
Baby. Hug, baby. Yeah. Hug. Oh, good girl. Bye. Oh. Okay. Josh, put her hat on inside out. Silly Josh. Baby.
Okay. Big.
Are you burping your baby?
Big.
Burp, baby, burp. Watch, I don't see you. You gonna put her in her chair now? Yeah, just like that. Find the clip and clip it in. Get over here.
Why?
Oh, she's doing it on her neck.
Oh,
Here. It's like this, honey. Here. Like this. Clip it in here. Like this. There we go. You gonna do the other one? Watch your fingers though. Good. Oh, look at that. You want to put her in the swing now? Follow her. No. Like this. Pinch it. There you go. You gonna put her in the swing? Oh, over the neck. You gonna put her in the swing? Look. Oh, look at you. Oh, gosh. Look at you, Lena. You're a natural. Okay. Is she crying now? Yeah, swing. Good girl, Elena. Yeah. A baby, the swing. How long is it going? Yay! Oh, there it is. Good girl. You want to burp your baby? It's broken nail. Yeah? You gonna burp your baby now like I'm burping my baby? Alright. I'll just give it a swing then. Good job. You can stop it. Yeah, she's